So, it's the year 2020. I want to kill that belief that you have to invest thousands of dollars into the markets in order to make money. You don't have to do that for the stock market. You don't have to do that for the Forex market, trading, whatever you're doing. The first step towards anything is learning about it, education. Learn about what you're getting into before you judge. So, we're not going to... The same thing can go to crypto, or since I'm on the chart already. But I'm going to start with stocks anyways. So, you can literally just Google cheap stocks to buy in 2020. And then you can get... It'll show you a bunch of cheap stocks. Or investing.com. Think about some companies that you may be interested in. Like, I don't know, Square, Ford, those are a couple of stocks. Let's see. I believe that's the ticker symbol. I wonder if how cheap Sprint is. If that's even cheap. I don't know. Let's check. Whoops. Sprint. It's $5. What do you know? You can put in like 20 to 100 bucks into it if you wanted to do that. But I don't suggest just investing based on, just because you see it right now. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just an example, information. So actually, let me put out a disclaimer. Everything in this video is strictly educational. If you invest into something, invest at your own risk. So understand that there is risk in these markets, and you need to actually look and do your own research so you can have the information you need to make a solid decision. So there are cheap stocks that exist. So what about actually trading the stocks or currencies or commodities? For example, you can get a broker. Find the right broker. I'm doing a demo account, for example, because I'm not going to risk my actual money. So you can have like $100 in an account if you have the right broker. You can go as low as, well, actually, a penny per pip. I'm not going to make recommendations actually, but yeah, look at how high it's going. If you know what you're doing, you can even go there if you want to. Just risk like $5 into the trade. And if the opportunity is right, that's at 20 bucks. But looking at it, I wouldn't think it would go that far just yet. I don't see an opportunity to trade at the moment because it just made a move. But even though my harmonics actually say that, wait, oh, it was just loading still. So, looking at it, again, actually, it's actually going to rise, from my belief. I mean, you can, if you're experienced with trading, you kind of see it already. If you want to learn about trading, you'll learn several reasons why it would actually go up from here. But that's my thoughts. Trade at your own risk. This is a disclaimer. I'm not telling you to trade anything. This is the 21st, so by the time you even see this video, it would have completed already. The opportunity is over. So, but what I'm saying here is there is money to be made, and you don't even have to risk thousands of dollars. Like, I could do 60 cents if I wanted to, if I believe the opportunity is right, to go for $5. If I wanted to go for a bigger lot and risk more, I would do that. There are multiple ways to actually make money in the markets. It just depends on what you know and how you apply what you know. So what you should be doing is focusing on investment education. So whether it's doing your own research, finding a mentor, getting books, your source is dependent on you. But at the same time, there is information on stocks, cryptocurrencies, trading on my channel as well. I'll put a few things in the description as well for you if you'd like that information, but you can also subscribe if you would like to. But ultimately what I'm trying to say in this video is you do not need to invest thousands of dollars, especially this year. So let's kill that thought. If you want to invest, do it. But first, learn about what you're getting into. So with that, if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any tips that you want to give to the public, feel free to comment. Anyways, my name is Aaron Stroud. Have a good one.